Icebergs. Narrated by Marcio Catalano. Written by John Lockyer. Icebergs are big lumps of ice. They float in very cold seas. Some icebergs are as big as our houses. Others are as big as tall buildings. All icebergs are made of fresh water. Icebergs can come from ice rivers on the land. The ice rivers are called glaciers. Icebergs are made when big lumps of an ice river fall into the sea. Some icebergs look round. Icebergs can be other shapes. Some icebergs look like very big blocks. Some icebergs look like mountains. Other icebergs have big, long tunnels. Only the top of an iceberg shows. Most of an iceberg is under the water. Ships that go in cold seas have to keep away from big icebergs. The ice in an iceberg has lots of small bubbles of air. The air bubbles make the iceberg float. The wind and the tide make icebergs move. Icebergs keep getting smaller as they float in the sea. The sun, the wind, and the seawater make the icebergs melt away. Seals and penguins live on big icebergs. They dive into the sea to find their food. Icebergs are floating homes. Glossary. A block. Hard piece of something. Float. To rest on top of the surface. Fresh. Something new. Lump. A big piece of something. Melt. To warm up and get runny. Mountain. A very big hill. Tunnel. A hole under or through the ground.